Annyeonghaseyo. Maing buntag eh. Okay, si Ambo ti asa. Asa sa isla no.
Sa Kahulan.
Nya mo uli ra dayon to siya. Sige. Ako na lang ihatag nimo ti ang iyang delivery. Ambo have 3 packs of chokes to go. Okay. And he also have 1,000 pesos for him and your 2 daughters. Asa imong duha ka anak?
Simba.
Nagsimba pa? They're going to church because it's Sunday. So they have 200 pesos each. Okay. Kera, nya please take a video na lang tayo ng gabot ni Ambo. Sige. And that is from Choco Minim. Choco Minim.
Choco Minim.
Okay. Wow. Sige. Choco Minim, kamsamida.
Choco Minim, kamsamida.
Okay, bye-bye. Okay, annyeonghaseyo Arbel. Okay, asa mo ka padong?
Dagat.
Dagat. You go to the beach and together with your family, mama. Okay. So, parang saan na mo doon kani? You're going to grill a pork. Sige. I'm here to deliver your 2 chooks to go. 2 packs. Baon na lang niyo para dagat. Ato na lang mo mga on. Okay? Sige. And that is from Choco Minim.
Choco Minim, annyeonghaseyo, kamsamida.
Okay. Aping dito ha. Ayaw pag atuglawom ha. Sige, bye bye.
Bye.
Annyeonghaseyo Jimar. Good morning. Okay, marag kaon. Mana? Okay. So, I'm here to deliver your 2 packs of chokes to go for you. Para kaon tayo mo dong. For lunch na lang. Okay. And that is from Choco Minim.
Choco Minim, annyeonghaseyo, kamsamida.
Okay, bye-bye. Annyeonghaseyo Genevieve.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Good morning. So, I'm here to deliver your 3 chokes to go. Okay, please receive. And that is from Choco Minim.
Choco Minim, annyeonghaseyo, kamsamida.
Okay. So, na mga kakaon? Wala pa. So, na. Sige. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Annyeonghaseyo Alexia.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, good morning. Okay, hindi makagikan.
Katikas.
Subikas balay? Sige. So, I'm here to deliver your 25 kilos rice, and also you have 1 pack of sardines and 1 big milk. Okay, please receive. And that is from Las Vegas Nim.
Las Vegas Nim, kamsamida.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Annyeonghaseyo Jende.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Musta man ka Jende?
Okay.
Mama, musta man?
Okay, sad.
Ayun na yatil. Kalakaw na siya. Hindi pa kalak.
Kabarog na siya.
Barog na siya. Pero maglakaw-lakaw na ka ng isa katiil. Okay. You help your mother, ha? Okay, be a good girl. Always go to school. Don't be absent. Okay, Victory Nim was giving you allowance. 500 pesos. Okay.
Victory Nim, annyeonghaseyo, kamsamida.
Okay. Kamsahamnida. Be a good girl, ha, Jandi. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hey Alea, annyeonghaseyo.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, so today we do have a meeting there, teachers meeting. And this day, Las Vegas Nim gave a donation to you, 500 pesos.
Las Vegas Nim, annyeonghaseyo, kamsamida.
Okay, so Alea, please do study hard in school, then make a progress every day and keep your journey good. Okay? So kinahanglan ka mag-study ha. Do not give up and focus always. Okay? Fighting.
Fighting.
Thank you, Dai. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Annyeonghaseyo, Eliza.
Annyeonghaseyo.
So, Picture님 give you 500. Please receive.
픽처리님 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Kamsamida. Bye-bye.
Good afternoon, Chloe.
Good afternoon, Teacher Nisa.
Alright, so I just got home from our meetings, and then in that case, I bought you chokes to go coming from Chajuni. This is your chokes to go.
Uncle Chajunim, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
So it's already lunchtime, so it's very kanang perfect person, and so thank you and bye bye.
Bye-bye.
안녕하세요, honey.
안녕하세요.
Okay, so Yunsunim gives you 2 pieces of chooks to go. That is from Yunsunim.
연수님 감사합니다.
Kamsamnida. So study hard, okay? Fighting. Fighting. Kamsamnida.
안녕하세요, Sarah and Bidang.
안녕하세요.
So, earlier, Bekchurinim gave you 500 each for your allowance.
픽처리님 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Okay, kamsahamnida, Bekchurinim. So, manage your money very well, ha? Study hard.
파이팅.
Okay. So, kumusta ang inyong pag-school? Okay, ra? Sure. How about you, Bidang? Okay, ra? Wala problema sa school? And how about you, Syra? Okay, ra? Wala problema? Okay. Easy rang pag-eskwela? Ha? Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
안녕하세요. I already bought 5 kilograms of rice. SB님, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.